The mission of this lesson is to find the sum and product of the given roots. Basically, hahanapin lang natin yung original equation niya. Okay? So, babalik rin natin yung process. From the roots naman, ibabalik natin siya saan? Sa pinaka-original equation niya. So, ano kaya yung equation na to? So, I have these two roots. Okay? Sa ibang tawag, meron tayong dalawang solution. Okay? So, una, hanapin muna natin yung sum of roots niya. Okay? So, what is the sum of roots? Of course, you need to familiarize yourself into this formula. R's of 1 or roots of 1 plus the second root equals negative b over a. Okay? So, later ko na-explain kung bakit ganyan yung formula natin. Of course, the r's of 1 or roots of 1 or the first root is negative 3. Okay? Negative 3. Plus r's of 2, that is 1 half equals, okay, when we add them, add lang natin yung dalawang yan. So, meron tayong negative 5 over 2. Now, identify lang muna natin yung ating negative b over a, no? So, since may negative dyan, of course, itong sagot natin, imumultiply natin yan sa negative. So, ang mangyayari dito, negative times negative, it will be positive, okay? It will be positive 5 over 2. Okay, so we have the sum of the two roots. Okay, with the use of the formula. So it will become the negation of the answer or the sum, and that will be our b over a. So that is 5 over 2. Now, what about the product of the two roots? At bakit ba natin kailangan kunin yung sum at saka product ng roots na to? Okay, let's see. As we continue, we have this one. Of course, we have r's of 1 times r's of 2 equals c over a. Same with negative b over a. Explain ko yan later bakit naging ganyan. So we have r's of 1, the first root, that is negative 3, right? Times, of course, we multiply it to 1 half the second root. Okay. Now, if we multiply them together, what is that equal to? That is equal to c over a. Of course, c over a is the product of negative 3 and 1 half. That is negative 3 over 2. And yes, we have c over a. Okay, for the final process, of course, the reason why do we need to find the sum and product of these two roots is to basically create an equation. So, para makagawa tayo ng equation, isulat muna natin dito yung standard form ng ating quadratic equation. Okay? Tapos, ang susunod natin gawin dyan ay we need to isolate a. Tanggalin muna natin yung a dyan. So, divide natin yung a sa lahat ng terms. Kasama yung 0. So, ganyan. So, when we divide a to itself, that is equivalent to 1. Okay? So, we have x squared plus b over a, bx over a plus c over a equals 0. Okay, so nakikita nyo na, di ba? Nakikita nyo na. So we have x squared. Let me write the first term. Okay, let me write the first term, x squared, plus b over a or bx over a. Yan b over a na yan ay makikita natin yan dun sa sum of roots natin. Okay, that is 5 over 2, right? So we have 5 over 2 x. Let me change the color of x. Ayan. Plus, lagyan natin ng plus dyan, yung c over a natin. At nagawa natin yan nung nahanap natin ng product ng dalawang roots. So we have, yes, that is negative 3. Negative 3 over 3. 3 over 2 equals 0. Equals 0. Okay. So, hindi pa tayo tapos dyan, no? Pwede pa natin i-simplify yung equation na yan. To eliminate the denominator here, so we can easily multiply it by 2. Yung both side ng equation na yan. Ano nangyari dyan? Parang hindi natin. Ayan, lagyan natin ng space. 2. 0 times 2 yan and then 2. Yan, okay? So, we have 2 times x squared. That is 2x squared. X squared. 2 times 5 over 2, what is that equal to? Correct. That is 5x only. And 2 times negative 3 halves, that is negative 3 only. And then 2 times 0, yes, correct, that is 0. And this is the original equation of these two given roots. And that is our mission for today. I hope you learned something.